Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the pyramid and prism. Pyramid and prism both have the 3D shape like cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder and cone. We will discuss the pyramid and prism, and we will also discuss how we can find the number of edge, vertices and faces in pyramid and prism. The classification of pyramid and prism we will also study or discuss in this video. So let us start with the 3D shape. 3D shape means the solid shapes which are in 3 dimensions. So there will be a base and lateral faces. In pyramid, the base may be any polygon and the lateral faces are triangular in shape. So you can define the pyramid as a solid whose base is any polygon and lateral faces are triangular in shape. So all lateral faces of pyramids are triangular in shape, and the base may be triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon or whatnot. So you can say there is only one base. In a pyramid there is only one base. Suppose I draw this triangle. This is the base of this pyramid, and then on each sides of this triangle we make the 3 more triangles which meet each other at a point O. So this is a pyramid and we call it triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. So the name of a pyramid given by the number of sides are decided by the number of sides in the base. As the base of this pyramid has 3 sides, it is called triangular pyramid. Or you can say if the base is a triangle, the pyramid is called triangular pyramid. The same way, when there is a square, base is a square, then this pyramid is called square pyramid. Now you see from all 4 sides the 4 triangular faces are kept, so they meet each other at a O. So this type of pyramid is called square pyramid. Square pyramid. So it's clear the name of the pyramid is given by the base. What may be the base? If the base is pentagon, we will call it pentagonal pyramid. If the base is hexagon, we call it hexagonal pyramid. Now we will understand how we can find the number of face, number of edge and number of vertices. For that, we just consider the how many sides are there in the base. Let's number of sides in base is n. If the number of sides in the base is n, then number of edge see how many edges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 8. So if 4 sides are there in the base, the edge will be 8. Here 3 sides in the base, so edge will be 6. So the edge will be the double of the number of sides in the base. So you can write 2n. The same way you can find the vertex. Vertices. So in the vertices also you see, in the square pyramid there are 5 vertices, and in the triangular pyramid there are 4 vertices. So one more than the number of sides. So this will be n plus 1. So how many sides are there in the base? You will add 1 in that, and you will get the number of vertices in the pyramid. That pyramid. Then faces. How many faces are there? See, 1 is the base, and after that there are 4 literal faces in this. So if a square is there, 4 sides, then 5 faces. Triangular, there are 4. Means 3 sides, 4. 1 more than the base. So faces will be also the same, n plus 1. So I hope you understood the pyramid and how we will find the number of vertices and faces in the pyramid. Now it's prism. Prism is also like the pyramid, a solid whose base is any polygon. It's not a matter what may be, but the lateral faces are rectangular in shape. So you can write the definition: a solid whose base is any polygon and lateral faces are rectangular in shape. So any polygon is the base. It may be triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon. It's not about. But the side faces are, the lateral faces are rectangular ones. The same way we can name, we can classify the prism on the basis of the base. But one more difference is there. In the pyramid, there is only one base, but in prism there are 2 bases. So for that, see, if the base is rectangular, there will be another rectangular base. So the 2 bases are there, and these bases are rectangular in shape. So since base is the triangle, it is called triangular prism. Triangular prism. The same way, if the base is square, it is called square prism. So a simple formula is there. It is called square prism. So you can find the same way if the number of sides in the base will be 8. number of sides in the base and then number of edge. Number of edge will be 3 in this base, 3 in the top. So 3, 3, 6 and the 3 will be sides. So 9 will be there, again here 12. So it will be the 3 times the edge. So number of edge will be 3 times that. Then faces the same way, if there is 3 sides, then 3 lateral face will be there and 2 base. 3 plus 2, 5. So the formula I will get here n plus 2 and vertices. So if 3 sides is there in the base, there will be the 6 vertices. 4 sides are there, then 4 vertices. 8 vertices. So it will be double. So you will find it by 2n. I hope all of you understood it. So do the exercise 11a by yourself. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.